Hi guys, welcome to today's review. It's Groundnut oil by Amazon home brand Vegfoodz. So let's get started. So this one is 1 liter 910 gram bottle, MRP is 750 rupees. This one from Amazon for rupees 329, 56% discount, and the shelf life is 9 months. It comes in a plastic bottle and the plastic bottle has anti-spillage bottle design. So I'm going to use a hot knife to make an apt hole. So this makes it easy to pour oil while using the bottle itself. And it has a nice aroma of peanuts. And I told you that the bottle is anti-spill. See, it doesn't spill at all. So the oil is light golden in color and it is different from the refined peanut oil. This one is cold pressed peanut oil. It is extracted from the nuts and the seeds without the use of heat and the chemical solvent. So this one is a healthier and it keeps more nutrients and it costs a little more also. So this oil is a good source of monounsaturated fats which helps in maintaining a healthy heart and normal cholesterol level. This peanut oil is very popular among the health cautious people, not only for its potential health benefits but also for its flavor. The smoke point of this peanut oil is lower than the refined peanut oil. It's suitable for deep frying. See, I have tried puris. We can use this simply like any other oil. We can use it to make parathas, to deep fry, for your curries, sabzis. So overall, its rich flavor and nutritional benefit make it a staple in my kitchen, and I appreciate the quality of the product. Its nutty flavor. Highly recommend for anyone looking out for a healthy cooking oil options. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.